Hi, welcome you all to Hommade Gourmet. Today I am making Ponsa Patholi, a traditional steamed jackfruit delicacy from our home kitchen, learned from my mom and my grandmom's cookbook, Samyukta Gruhapaaka. First, wash the leaves well. Here I am using white champa leaves as you can see in the video. Clean them, pat them dry and trim the tip and the base the way I have shown. Next, take around 500 grams of ripened jackfruit and add it to the mixer jar. Add few cardamom pods or cardamom powder is better. Then add fresh grated coconut, about 2 to 3 fistfuls, and grind it all together. Once this is ground, transfer it to a bowl and we can start adding the other ingredients. Meanwhile, take around 150 to 160 grams of idli suji or idli rave and soak it in just enough water. We only need enough water to soften it, not to make it too watery. Once the jackfruit and coconut have been ground into a smooth paste, add about 120 to 130 grams of jaggery and around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Grind it once again until the batter is smooth. Then take the soaked suji, squeeze out the extra water and add it to the mixie. Give it a quick blend, just enough to combine everything well and make sure there are no lumps. Now you may transfer the batter into a bowl. Now let's prepare this coconut filling for the kadabu. Take freshly grated coconut and pulse it for just few seconds to get a more even texture. Add jaggery and mix well. I have used jaggery block pieces here as shown in the video, but powdered jaggery works very well too. Add little cardamom powder for flavor and a filling is ready. Now comes the final step. Spread the jackfruit batter onto the leaves, add the coconut filling and fold the leaves to enclose it neatly, just I have shown here. Now make sure that your steamer is already ready with water boiling. Once all the leaves are filled and folded, place them into the steamer and steam for around 25 to 30 minutes. Once done, let them cool slightly. Open the leaves and enjoy this fragrant traditional delicacy warm with a dollop of ghee. Now that you can see that I am spreading the jackfruit batter evenly over the leaf, not too thick and not too thin. This helps it cook well and also makes folding easier. Adding coconut filling in the center, you could adjust the quantity of filling depending on the size of the leaf, but make sure not to overfill it, otherwise it may spill out while steaming. Once the filling is in place, gently fold the leaf over and close the ends as shown. This keeps the batter and filling secure inside while steaming. As they steam, the leaves release their natural aroma into the kadabu, and this is what makes this dish so special. Once they are done, you will notice a lovely fragrance and the leaf parcels will look cooked and slightly softened. Let them rest for a few minutes before opening. Then gently unfold the leaves and enjoy this beautiful seasonal delicacy warm. Add a dollop of ghee on these warm or slightly hot kadabu and enjoy it. This is one of those traditional recipes that brings together flavor, memory, and the comforting feel of home. For me, this is more than just a recipe, it's a memory wrapped in leaves. Recipes like these are precious because they carry the touch of our mothers and grandmothers into our kitchens even today. Just a tip and note. If these leaves are not available, you can easily make this recipe using turmeric leaves or banana leaves as well.